Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter the pairing mode on TOZO OpenEgo. In order to go to pairing mode, of course we need to take them out of the charging case. So let's open the charging case, let's take them out, and we need to make sure that they are powered on. So let's close the case for now. And of course when they are powered on, we should see the light. Actually, when we see the light that it is changing, that is constantly switching between white and red, this means that they are in the pairing mode. So if they are not connected to anything, then we should see the light. Now, if they are off, then we might need to turn them on manually by pressing and holding on the logo for 3 seconds or so. After that, the earbud should be turned on. And you want to double check if the other earbud is also enabled. If not, then you want to do the same thing with the other earbud. Now, once we have them turned on, then we should see this state of light. So like I said, it should be switching all the time between white and red, and this means they are now in the pairing mode. And we should be able to find them on your device, your Android or your iPhone or anything like that. They should be detected by your device, pretty much, if you have Bluetooth enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.